just going to lift up on that tube to pull it out. I should be able to blow on that tube and hear the pressure switch clicking. If not, it might be a little bit plugged up. So if you have like a straightened coat hanger or a long skinny screwdriver or a pipe cleaner, you can put it in that tube and you can try to get some of that debris out. So this one had just a bunch of junk that had somehow worked its way from the tub up into the tube over the years. Kind of clogged it up. I'm also looking at where the tube hooks up, making sure that's not all full of junk. So I'm using a little dental tool to get in there and clean that stuff out. And it doesn't take a whole lot to cause the wrong signal to be sent to the pressure switch.